In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share current location in Google Maps. First, grab your phone and open the Google Maps app. This works on both Android and iPhone. For the most accurate results, make sure location services are turned on for Google Maps. And if your phone offers a precise location option, enable that too. If you're asked for permission to access your location, go ahead and allow it so Maps can share your real-time position. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile picture or your initial. In the menu that appears, choose Location Sharing. This takes you to the dedicated space where you control who can see you and for how long. Now tap New Share, sometimes labeled Share Location. This starts the sharing setup. You'll be asked to choose how long you want to share. Pick a preset time like 1 hour or 8 hours, or select the option to keep sharing until you turn it off manually. If you're sharing for safety or coordination, choose only what you need. You can always return here to extend or stop sharing. After setting the duration, it's time to choose recipients. If the person you want is in your contacts, simply tap their profile. This sends the share directly to them, and if they use Google Maps, it will appear right inside their app. If you don't see the person you need or prefer another platform, you can send your location through external apps. On iPhone, tap More Options to reveal your sharing choices. On Android, you'll typically see apps like WhatsApp or Messages listed. Pick the one you use, and Maps will create a shareable link inside that app. If you want maximum flexibility, you can copy the link to your clipboard and paste it anywhere: email, a group chat, or a project tool. This is handy when the app you want doesn't appear in the list. When everything looks good, tap Share. The recipient will be able to view your real-time location on a map, along with your profile photo and even your device's battery level, which can help them gauge if your phone might go offline soon. Remember, you're in control. You can return to location sharing at any time to adjust the timer or stop sharing altogether. That's it. Open Maps, go to location sharing, start a new share, set the duration, choose how to send it, and confirm. With these steps, coordinating meetups and keeping loved ones updated becomes quick, clear, and secure.